How's it going, bro? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fritz, and this video is going to be an unboxing video of the DT770 Pro from Beyerdynamic, the black edition. Let's get straight into it. The last 4 years I've been using those Audiotechnica studio headphones. As you can already see, they look kind of already destroyed. You know, my ears basically completely destroyed those earphones. I've been traveling around New Zealand and Australia with those headphones. They served me really well. I'm grateful for those ones, but it's time for something new, and Christmas just happened a few days ago. So let's definitely wrap this up right now. First of all, I really like those ones. The simplicity looks really nice. The box is also quite light from Beyerdynamic, so they've done a really good job there. There you go. All right, the box is open. This is how it looks like. Epic. All right, already quite a good place to put them. So the cable is inside here, and yeah, this is how they look like. Such beautiful headphones. They're quite, if you compare the weight, I'm going to compare them in a few seconds with my old Audiotechnica headphones. But first I have to open this box where the cables are inside. As you can see already, it comes with a great adapter, which you can obviously pull off, do like this. You can just plug it straight into your computer. Those headphones I have are 80 ohm. You can also get them, I think, in 36 ohm and a bit less. If you don't know what ohm basically means, the ohm means how much power does the device need to have to power those headphones. So with a computer, for example, MacBook, 80 ohm is, I would say, the max you should use. You should definitely not go to 160 ohms, otherwise you're gonna have lower quality and stuff, but 36 ohm is good as well. Comment below this video what kind of type of person you are. If you have a present, do you rip it open, or do you just like very carefully remove all the packaging to not destroy the beauty of the packaging? I don't really care about it, to be honest, but obviously it's important to not destroy the headphone itself or the cable. Because I heard that you cannot replace this cable, so it's attached, you cannot remove it. So that's why we need to make sure that we definitely take care of this cable as much as possible. Definitely make sure you don't run over with your chair or anything else. Don't squish it into a door, because you're gonna regret it for the rest of your life. The headphones are ready. There is one more kind of thing we have to twist and turn. Looks quite cool. So, the reason why I bought those specific headphones are because first of all, they look really cool. I like the black style. I think my favorite color for clothes and stuff like that and headphones is usually always black. But also the reason why I chose them, because I wanted to make sure, because I'm traveling, that I have noise cancellation. So when I put them on right now, I can hear already that my voice is very, it sounds like I'm in a room. I can definitely hear still my surroundings, but the noise cancellation is definitely quite strong, so I can make sure that I'm just listening to the music. So if you're, for example, traveling, or you're at an airport where it's busy, or like there's announcements or there's music or stuff like that, you can make sure that you can travel and produce music at the same time, or even do your mix downs at the airport, what I really like to do when I'm going to different places. By the way, if you haven't liked this video yet, please make sure you do this right now and subscribe to my channel to not miss out any house music production tutorials. Usually I'm not really doing any unboxing videos, but in this case, because this is the first time I'm buying headphones since I started producing music, I thought I might give it a go, because Beyerdynamic is doing a really good job. If you also compare the weight of Audiotechnica and the Beyerdynamic, I would say Beyerdynamic is a tiny bit heavier, that's my guess. But they're like really soft, because you can see already like where you put your ears. It is a very soft material. I really like it, but I really like those ones. I think they look really cool as well. The big advantage of those ones is that you can make them small. You can like chuck them into your backpack and just go traveling with them. With those ones, it's going to be a little bit more difficult, because you cannot really make them smaller. You can obviously adjust the size and stuff for depending on your head and where your ears are located on your head. But I cannot really change them, which means that I'm gonna have to take them in my hands when I go traveling, or put them around my neck, for example, and always have them around me. Otherwise, I'm gonna destroy them, and that's the last thing I wanna do for like $160 headphones. Also, the adapter you put into your laptop is pretty much the same. The Audio-Technica one is a little bit thinner, I would say, but it's pretty much the same, just a little bit bigger, as you can see already. So yeah, so I'm gonna listen to one of my tracks now in the next few minutes, and then I'm gonna tell you exactly what I think the differences are between Audio-Technica headphones and the Beyerdynamic DT770. Okay, I understand the difference now. And I really have to say that with the Beyerdynamic headphones, everything sounds cleaner and it's almost like you can hear the details way more. The difference though is that I feel like the stereo field is not as wide as from the Audiotechnica headphones. And I personally really like to work with the stereo field. So if you, for example, really like the wideness or the stereo field of the song, then I would definitely recommend those headphones. But if you're looking for very clear sound but a bit more into, like, let's not say mono but less stereo, then I would definitely choose those because I can hear the details better. It sounds more clean, you can hear literally the details, and if you're an audio engineer, it is very important that you can hear the details. But yeah, it's hard to say which one I would choose more. I think it's personal preference, but getting the noise cancellation of those headphones combined also with the stereo wideness of those headphones. Also, I think with those headphones, the bass is a bit boosted, but that's what I've personally just read. I just realized it a little bit in my track. So this was my video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Comment below this video what you want me to cover in my next YouTube tutorial. Is it about mixing? You want to listen to an artist tutorial more? Do you want me to break down one of my tracks from Spotify? Or what do you want me to exactly do? Comment below this video right now what you want me to cover. And I'll see you, bro, in the next video.